Guys, Chopper's Real One here. Well, got Cookie's cat rod out and we have a little problem. First of all, the tyres are just about knackered. Now, I'm thinking, do we do a full rebuild on it? As in, new tyres, new wheels, rebuild the front end and build it into a pro stocker, like our big fat wheels at the back and a little, about those size of wheels up front, because that's what I've got. Do that to it, repaint it, give it a new colour. I've got to replace this. This is busted. I'm going to put a bit of metal under here just to support it a little bit. So that'll have to all be taken apart and fixed, but that's not a great problem. The handlebars are still okay. But yeah, I'm thinking it might be time for a rebuild, guys. It's getting to the stage where it kind of needs it. I'm not happy with the wheels. They vibrate too much on the ground and everything like that. So just to give you a size comparison from this to the C-cab, that's the C-cab parked beside it. That's the size difference. So yeah, it's a lot bigger and everything like that. It weighs a lot more too. So yeah, but anyway, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. And but I think it's time for a rebuild. Alright guys, that's it for me. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.